Hello students and welcome to my channel. So students, today we are going to start with trigonometry part 3. In part 1 and part 2 we have already discussed the trigonometric ratios in part 1, and in part 2 we have discussed the trigonometric ratios of specific angles like 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now in this part, that is in part 3, we will be discussing trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So see, what are the formulas over here? Sin 90 minus theta, we can write cos theta, and vice versa. Vice versa का मतलब क्या कि if sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so we can write cos 90 minus theta as what? Sin theta. So this is first formula. Second formula is cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and vice versa. Vice versa again same कि sec 90 minus theta होगा तो it will be what? Cosec theta. So I'll write it again over here. So sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and the third formula is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Again vice versa. Vice versa means cot 90 minus theta होगा तो we can write it as tan theta. So we have seen formulas of trigonometric ratios of complementary. Complementary angles कौन से होते हैं? 90 degree, whose sum is 90 degree. So these are the trigonometric ratios, formulas of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So now we'll be discussing certain examples based on these formulas only. So now the question is, show that tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is equals to 1. अब देखिए यहाँ पे हम दो एंगल्स को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जिनका एडिशन, whose addition comes to be 90. So we can see over here 10 plus 80 is 90 and 15 plus 75 is 90. तो जिन दो को प्लस करने में 90 आता है like tan and 80, if we add up we'll get 90. तो इन दोनों में से किसी एक को we'll change, we'll apply the formula. So tan theta का formula होता है cot 90 minus theta, तो 90 minus tan degree. Similarly यहाँ पर इन दोनों में से किसी एक में will apply formula. So we are going to apply formula over here. It will be cot 90 minus 15 degree. Others will remain same as it is. Tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Now we have to prove that this whole is equals to 1. So now cot 90 minus tan, it will come to be cot 80 degree. Cot 90 minus 15, it will come to be cot 75 degree, and tan 75 को we can write as 1 upon cot 75 degree, and tan 80 degree को we can write as 1 by cot 80. So this cot and this cot is cancelled, this cot and this cot will be cancelled, hence इस पूरे का आंसर क्या आ गया? 1. तो 1 is equals to 1. So LHS is equals to what? RHS proved. So this is how we'll prove it. And ये जो reciprocal formula used over here, this formula we have discussed in part 1 video. For the reference of these formulas, you can watch my part 1 and part 2 video, whose link is shared in the description box. Now we'll be discussing next question, sin 26 and sin 64. देखिए अगर sec 64 अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करती हूँ तो I'll get what? 90. तो मैं इसको चेंज करूँगी. 26 and 64 I get 90. तो I'll change this. Only one term. दोनों को I won't change. So sin 26 के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है cot 90 minus 26. नीचे का as it is sec 64 degree. Similarly over here cos 26 आई कैन राइट cos थीटा का फॉर्मूला होता है sin 90 माइनस थीटा, तो sin 90 माइनस 26 अपॉन cosec 64. Now again we have to prove that this term is equals to what? 1. So cos 90 minus 26, it will come to be cos 64 degree upon, it's already sec 64 degree, plus this will come to be sin 64 degree and cosec 64. Now see हर जगह 64 आ गया. Sometimes in some questions अगर ये नीचे दिया रहता तो we have to look on to that कि हमको क्या चाहिए, so that it should be the matching one. Now sec is the reciprocal of what? cos. तो मैं इसको अगर 1 by cos लिखूँगी तो cos will go in numerator part, so it will become cos square 64 degree plus again cosec is 1 upon sin, तो ये numerator में जाएगा, it will become sin square 64 degree. And there is one more formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So here comes LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. See, we have this formula, that is we have used formula over here, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to what? 1. Now we will be seeing other questions also. So now the question is, we have to evaluate the following: 3 sin 72 upon cos 18 minus sec 32 upon cosec 58. See, अब हमको मालूम है sin थीटा को अगर मैं चेंज करूँगी तो I'll get cos 90 माइनस थीटा, so cos and cos कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सिंपल. sec को I'll change तो cosec 90 माइनस थीटा, तो I'll apply formula over here, sin थीटा in place of sin थीटा cos 90 माइनस थीटा, थीटा यहाँ पर क्या है 72, नीचे का as it is, हम दोनों वैल्यूज़ कभी भी नहीं चेंज करते. सिमिलरली ओवर हियर cosec 90 माइनस 32 डिग्री बाय cosec 58 डिग्री. तो अब हम इसको चेंज करेंगे तो 3 cos 18 डिग्री अपॉन cos 18 डिग्री माइनस here we'll get cosec 58 degree upon cosec 58. So this and this got cancelled, this and this got cancelled, तो ये आंसर 3 and ये -1, so the answer is what? 2. This is how we evaluate the questions. Now in similar way we have next question, sin 80, it is sin theta, तो हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे, cos 90 minus 80 डिग्री. देखिए ये हमारे दिमाग में चलना चाहिए, cos 10 आएगा, cos 10 एंड cos 10 विल गेट कैंसिल. अब दिस इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो हमको इसका रेसिप्रोकल सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. sin 59, तो आई विल गेट cos 90 माइनस 59 इंटू sec 31, तो हेयर आई विल गेट cos 10 डिग्री बाय cos 10 डिग्री प्लस यहाँ पर मुझे मिलेगा cos 31 डिग्री एंड sec थीटा, it is a reciprocal of cos, so I'll write like cos 31 degree. So this cos and this got cancelled, this and this got. So 1 plus 1, answer is 2. So this is how we evaluate the questions. So now the question is find x. मतलब ये जो x है ना, over here we have to find this. See, I have taken 2 examples over here. The one is that is based on trigonometric ratios of complementary. देखिए 90 minus theta है ना, so it is complementary angle, and the other is which is based on trigonometric ratios of specific angles, जिसकी हमको values मालूम है. तो we'll first of all discuss this type of question. So see, cos 38 degree given है हमको, तो this is cos 38 degree into sec 90 minus 2x equals 1. इक्वल्स 1 है, हमको दोनों तरफ कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ही चाहिए. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल शिफ्ट दिस cos 38 टू दिस साइड, सो विल गेट व्हाट, sec 90 माइनस 2x इक्वल 1 अपॉन cos 38 डिग्री. नाउ हेंस वी नो sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, but we won't apply formula over here. Why? Because 1 by cos is also sec theta. तो अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में ऐसा नहीं आता, देन वी हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर्मूला, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली हमारे पास आ गया क्या, sec 38 degree. So this sec and this sec will get cancelled. So 90 minus 2x will be equal to 38. Hence minus 2x is equals to, we can write 38 minus 90. So minus 2x will be equal to 52 minus 52. Thus x will be what, 26 degree. So this is how we have find out the value of x in trigonometric ratio of specific trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now we'll see over here how we can find out the value of x over here. Sin 60, we know it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So we'll get 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Thus 2 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So sin x is what? We have got 1 by 2. अब 1 by 2 किस साइन की वैल्यू होती है? It is sin 60 degree. Sorry, it is sin 30 degree. So x will be what? 30 degree. So this is how we find out the unknown values of x. Either it is asked in some complementary angles or it is asked in specific angles. Now we'll move on to the next question of this type only. So see, now the question is tan 2a equal cot a minus 18 degree, find a. तो tan 2a, देखिए यहाँ पर tan है, यहाँ पर cot है, तो we have to bring here cot और we have to bring tan over here. So we'll bring cot over here. So tan theta का फॉर्मूला होता है cot 90 minus theta, it will be 90 minus 2a cot a minus 18 degree. This cot and this cot will be cancelled. तो 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degree. a के टर्म को will bring one side, 2a minus a equal minus 18 minus 90 degree. Minus 3a will be minus 108 degree. Hence a will be 36 degree. This is how we find out the value of a in complementary angles. Similar question is given over here. एक जगह tan है, दूसरी जगह cot है, and we have to bring tan a is equals to cot b and we have to prove a plus b is what, 90 degree. So what we'll do over here, tan a है cot 90 minus a and this will be what, cot b. Cot and cot get cancelled. 90 minus a equal b. अब हम b को and a को will shift to one side, तो minus a minus b equal minus 90. Taking minus sign common, तो we'll get a plus b equal what, 90 degree. Proved. So this is how we solve the questions that are related to trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now we'll see the next type of question. So now the question is, this is the next type of question related to trigonometric ratio of complementary angles only. Question is, for triangle ABC, show that sin a plus b by 2 equal cos c by 2. See, we know concept is same for both the question. यहाँ पर sin and cos है, यहाँ पर tan and cot है. So since we know a plus b plus c is equals to what, 180 degree. यहाँ पर a plus b चाहिए, तो a plus b will be equal to what, 180 minus c. Thus अगर मैं दोनों का हाफ करती हूँ, a plus b by 2, I'll get 180 by 2, that is 90 and c by 2. अब मुझे यहाँ पर क्या चाहिए, साइन, तो मैं दोनों जगह क्या करूँगी, I'll multiply both sides by sin. तो sin a plus b by 2 equals sin 90 minus c by 2. अब sin 90 minus theta will get over here cos theta. So this is how we have proved. अब देखिए सेम क्वेश्चन अगर tan and cot में आता है, what we'll do, we know a plus b plus c is what, 180. अब वो b plus c कह रहा है, तो b plus c इस साइड रहेगा, 180 minus a, dividing both the equation by 2, तो we'll get b plus c by 2, 180 by 2, 90, minus a by 2. Now in question it has been asked about tan. So we'll multiply both the equation by tan. So tan b plus c by 2 equals tan 90 minus a by 2. So we'll get tan b plus c by 2 equal cot a by 2. Hence proved. So this is how today we have discussed all the type of questions that comes under trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Hope you guys are liking my video. So please do share it with your friends also, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.